Welcome to our German class with Tristan.school. Today we will talk about the masculine, feminine and neuter articles. The correct article is important for a proper communication. There are rules we must follow. For example, when we talk about a man, we use the article der. When we talk about a woman, we use the article die. And when we talk about a neutrum, we use das. There are also differences between the definite and indefinite articles. So here are the definite articles again. Der, die, das. Definite articles refer to something specific like the man. And indefinite articles refer to something not specific like a man. Now let's have a look at the indefinite articles. Masculine indefinite article ein. Feminine indefinite article eine. Neutrum indefinite article ein. With time and practice, you will master the rules of using articles. And never forget that we at Tristan.school are proud of you.